Did you know the richest woman in America once let her son's leg get amputated because she was too cheap to pay for a doctor? Meet Hetty Green, worth over $100 million in the early 1900s. That's billions today, but she lived like she was broke. She wore the same black dress until it literally fell apart and ate cold oatmeal because heating it cost money. When her son Ned hurt his leg, instead of going to a real doctor, she dragged him to free clinics for poor people. But when doctors recognized her and demanded she pay, she got angry and stormed out. She decided to treat his leg herself at home with random remedies. Big mistake. The infection got so bad that doctors eventually had to cut off his entire leg. This woman had enough money to buy anything she wanted, but she chose to live in freezing cold apartments and let her own son lose a limb over a few dollars. They called her the Witch of Wall Street for good reason.